Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May and June 2021 Empties video. I am so excited to talk about the products I have here. I decided not to do a May Empties video because I was on vacation at the end of the month and I had maybe like 2 or 3 empties. But then in June, I feel like I was just using up products left and right. So I actually have a ton of empties here today that I am very excited to talk about. Why don't we just jump into it? And I'm just going to grab the first product that I have on top here, which is probably one of the products I most recently used up. And this is from Kula. It's the Mineral Face Sunscreen, matte finish, 70% organic. Here's what that looks like. And I actually, even though I used this up completely, I like squeezed every last bit of it out of here. I did not like this sunscreen. I couldn't wait to get through it, but I have to wear sunscreen every day. I'm really into sun protection. This has SPF 30, but I did not like the smell of this. I did not like the feel of it. It was kind of like grainy and dry and had a really bad white cast, but I would just wear it under my makeup and get through it, but I did not like anything about this except for the SPF 30. It wouldn't moisturize my skin. It didn't look good on my skin, but yeah, I would not recommend this. I think I got this in maybe Ipsy or BoxyCharm or FabFitFun or something, but yeah, not something I will repurchase. I just started a new sunscreen though because I did finish this one up that I am loving. It's from Tula and it's in the yellow bottle and it's like glowy, amazing. I'm really excited about that one. Next up, I have a toner here that I finished. Here is what this looks like. It's from the brand Botanics, I think. Nature Inspired, The Power of Plants. All Bright with Hibiscus Cleansing Toner. I think I got this at Target maybe. And this is the product that I would use when I was feeling really lazy with my skincare and I wasn't feeling like washing my whole face. I would put some of this onto a reusable cotton round and just rub it all over my face to clean my skin. And I really like this. It has a nice scent, not too drying on my skin, but also not super moisturizing. I definitely go in with serums and moisturizers on top of it, but it does make my skin feel refreshed. So I liked this toner and I don't think it's crazy expensive. I actually have another toner that I used up, and this is from Murad. It's the Hydration Hydrating Toner. And I love Murad, but I did not love this product. Here's what that bottle looks like. It's a spray bottle, so I would spray my entire face after cleansing and before doing my serums, and it just really drenched my skin and it wouldn't absorb very quickly. So I didn't really like the application process of this. It was fine, but I didn't feel like it really benefited my skin. Like I don't think it necessarily did anything for my skin the way other toners have. And also I just realized I prefer to like rub my toners in rather than spray it on. And I went through this so quickly because of the spray technique of this, and this is an expensive product. So I guess between the two toners, this one's more of a cleansing toner. This is more of a, well, it's a hydrating leave-on toner, so they're different, but I would go with the cheaper one personally. So I have another Murad product that I used up here. I think this is probably a sample size, but this Murad product I loved. This is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser with 1.5% salicylic acid acne treatment. So I really do think that if I use an acne cleanser once a day, I wash my face at least twice a day, but if I use an acne cleanser once a day, it really helps keep breakouts away and keeps my skin pretty much clear. And I think the whole time I was using this, I didn't have breakouts. It worked so well to clear up my skin. So this is a product that I definitely want to get again because right now I'm not using an acne face wash, so I'm a little bit nervous that I'm gonna get breakouts. But if I do, I'll just make sure to pick this up again because this worked so well for me. And then sticking with skincare, I used up the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and I loved this. This is such a nice serum. It gave my skin such a glow, super hydrating, especially when my skin gets really dry. I loved this. It's a great texture. It absorbs nicely on the skin and sits nicely on the skin, but still gives so much radiance. I love this. I love Glow Recipe, so this is a product that I would love to have again. And then I used up, this is actually from my eczema sample box, this lotion from the brand Purlisse, organic hand and body lotion, fragrance free, and I really like this. I would apply this to my entire body, and it leaves the skin with a really nice soft feel. It's completely non-irritating because it's like designed for sensitive skin. I mean, I went through this pretty quickly since I applied it to my entire body, but when I was using it, my skin felt so comfortable, not itchy, and very moisturized. And then so actually another moisturizer that I used up, this is from the brand Grown Alchemist Body Cream. And this one, I like the texture of it. It is very moisturizing on the body, but I don't love the smell of it. I also wasn't crazy about the packaging. It's kind of like metal, but I guess it was easy to squeeze every last bit out of here. But I just prefer more of a sweet, florally scent. And this one, it's just a little bit more like, I don't know, a little bit more like botanical, a little bit more earthy. So like when you're wearing a body lotion, it's pretty much what you're gonna smell like. So I'd rather have something that I really love the scent of, or no fragrance at all, so then I can just put on perfume or whatever. But the formula of this I liked, but the scent is the only reason I'm not crazy about it. I actually think I have a second one of these, so I probably still will use it. I like it enough to completely use it again, but not something that I would repurchase because, like I said, not my favorite scent. And then this is random, but this is a product that I love and I used up and I repurchased. This is a essential oil odor eliminator, and it's from the brand Lumi Outdoors Home Essentials, and it's the extra strength lemon and eucalyptus. And this is a shoe spray. So after like doing my spin bike or something, I'll spray this into my shoes and it works perfectly to get rid of any shoe odors. And I just found this on Amazon because I looked up shoe spray because I felt like the shoe sprays that I'd had before were just very like toxic into the air when I would spray them. And this, you know, it's just essential oils and it works so well. So I really love this. If you or someone you know deals with foot odor or stinky shoes, get this. So then some hair products that I used up, because actually you can see I have my natural hair today, like my natural curls, and these products that I'm going to show you really help tame my crazy curls. So this here is the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. This, I think, works wonders on my hair. Gives such a smooth, slick look to my curls and helps protect my hair when I do heat styling. So I don't love the type of spray where it's like spraying a gel, so it's just like sprays a little glob. So I definitely would prefer more of like a squeezy tube or something of this type of formula. So usually what I would do was like spray a bunch into my hand, rub it together and apply it to my hair that way. But I was very happy with the results when using this. So this is something that I would want in the full size. Very impressed by that. Another hair product that I used up is from Foxy Bay, and this is the 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask with biotin. So this is also, I would use it for that same purpose, put it on after washing my hair to help tame the curls, the frizz, all of that, but then also protect it from heat styling. And I think that this one also worked so well to keep my hair frizz-free, smoothed out, and have like the even curls that I want for my natural hair. But then when I don't wear my natural hair the following day, that's usually when I'll style it with heat. I felt like I had protected hair when I would use this. And then actually, this is a dollar store product that I repurchase all the time, and it's from Spa Naturals. It's vitamin E beauty oil for smoother, softer skin. So just like their vitamin E oil. It looks like it also has soybean oil and coconut oil in it. But I would use this on stretch marks or scars on my body, and I've been using this for years, and I think it really helps to make scars fade better. So definitely something that I am going to repurchase and probably buy like 3 of the next time I'm at the Dollar Tree, because I think it works great. I put this on usually before I put on my body lotion, and it's definitely greasy, but with the body lotion on top, I think it's totally fine, and I don't notice any like residue greasiness on my skin afterwards. It absorbs pretty well. And then I have some face masks that I used up. This is the Juice Up Tomato Mask from Lab For You, which was fine, just a very standard sheet mask. I think it moisturized my skin nicely, and my skin felt refreshed, hydrated afterwards. But it's just like a standard sheet mask, nothing all that crazy. But then these 2 sheet masks I feel like are like very luxurious and feel like they work so well. So this is from 111 Skin, and these are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. And I just feel like, well, they are super expensive, but they're so luxurious. It's just like a step up from the regular sheet mask, which if I was buying these, I would just stick to the regular sheet masks. But I got the 111 Skin sheet masks in one of the beauty subscription boxes, and it really is so great, and I understand why everyone loves them. I just feel like if I'm having a bad skin day, if my skin is dry, this will just turn the skin day around, and my skin will have that glow, that moisture after using this. So it's a really nice experience. And then I don't know why I tried these again, because they are not good. From Babe Lash, it's the Brightening Under Eye Gel Patches. These are just so weird, so not beneficial to the under eyes. It's basically like sticky. It's not like the Wander Beauty eye patch where it's like a serum-y eye mask that just sits on the under eyes. Like, no, this one is just sticky, like a sticker. So it's not like it's letting any product absorb into my under eyes. It's like harsh on the under eyes. It is uncomfortable. So I don't understand these eye masks. It's like, why are they just stickers? Why don't they have like nice under eye gentle product on them? I don't know. I don't recommend these Babe Lash Brightening Under Eye Gel Patches. Like, they're not gel patches. There's no gel on them. It's just a like a soft paper on one side and a sticky side that you stick onto your under eyes. I don't know. And next I have some makeup products that I used up. So from the brand Purlisse, I love this brand. This is the Watermelon Energizing Facial Spray that sets makeup. I didn't love the spray bottle, so I actually did pour this into a different spray bottle that I like better. But this has been so great for hydrating my skin when it gets really dry, refreshing makeup, giving that glow to the makeup. So very happy with this, and it has that nice watermelon scent. And then I used up my favorite lash primer, but don't worry, I did have a backup that I'm using now. And it's the Lancome Sills Booster XL Base Mascara. So this is the sample size, but gosh, I love this mascara primer. I feel like it has just made my lashes so much like better. Like, just like how I treat the hair on my head, I want to treat my lash hairs and make sure that they are moisturized and able to grow longer and thicker. So I use this every single time I put on mascara, unless it's a video where I'm reviewing a mascara. And I've been using this for probably years now, and I repurchase it and I love it. I have tried out other lash primers that I like, but this one I just love. And if you're familiar with me, like, I don't like to spend a lot of money on luxurious makeup products, but the Lancome Base Mascara is one product that I do repurchase and spend the money on. But then my last product that I used up, and sticking with mascaras, this is from Revlon. It's the So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. And this mascara was supposed to tint the lashes over time, which I was so excited about. I thought it was genius. And I used this for at least 3 months every single day, and it never tinted my lashes. It never changed the color of my lashes, which I was so bummed about because I'm like, this is my perfect magic product. If it can just darken my lashes, it would be a miracle, and it didn't. However, it is a really nice mascara. I love how my lashes look with this mascara on. So it's a mascara that I would repurchase again. It was just a bit of a letdown that it didn't actually tint my lashes, but it's pretty affordable and it is up there with my favorite mascaras I've ever tried, even the high-end mascaras. So love this mascara nonetheless. And so those are all of the products that I used up over the past 2 months. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these and what your thoughts are on them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.